Let's look at how to replace components and take apart a Gardiner backpack. First of all, remove the 6 screws holding the base in place. And now we can pull off the yellow base. And this shows us the inside. First of all, if you wanted to replace the battery, you then need to remove the 4 screws holding the backpack battery tray in place. These are different size screws to the previous 6 you've taken out. So make sure you keep them safe and separate from the other screws. Now we remove the battery tray and take out the battery. And the spade terminals on there, and we'll need to pull those off carefully with a pair of pliers, making sure you don't pull on the wire itself. There we are. Put the battery to one side. If you were changing the battery, you would refit the battery with a new battery. So you take your battery, you find your battery terminals, push these on firmly, there, your 2 terminals are now connected, and then put the battery in place, making sure that all of the wiring runs well outside of the battery area. Although there is a channel underneath, they can run through the middle if you'd rather them that way. We refit your battery tray. Having worked on a unit before sealing it up, it's sometimes worth checking that the new component you fitted is working properly. So a quick flick of the switch checks our new pump is working, checks our new battery is powering the pump. Now we're ready to fit the base back on, which is just a reversal of what we did previously. Clip it in place, and then the 6 smallest screws we use to put back together. There we are, the base is back on, the components have been replaced.